message to the fans. I just want to say thank you, thank you. The support has been out of this world. It's gone up and above what regular fans or supporters do for what they call their mains. You see posters on people's gates in the Philippines, on people's cars. You see buses painted with our buses painted with our posters. Without Star Cinema, na hindi sinagot ng Star Cinema. People are really going beyond what's needed, or beyond the support that's not even being asked to promote the movie and help this movie make it a success. So I'm very thankful, and like what Kim said earlier, I've been doing projects left and right back in the Philippines, different roles, dark, light, or crazy. Pero ayun nga, parang dito ko, sa totoo lang pa, parang nag-crave pa rin yung katawan ko na gumawa ng mga kakaiba, ng mga hindi ko pa nagagawa, hindi ko pa na-explore the roles. But I keep remembering seeing people's smiles. If you remember, I don't like receiving gifts from anyone at all. I like letters, and when I read the letters, it's very inspiring. It's something else to read those letters and know that you're making an impact with their life in a positive way. You make them smile, and siguro that's what also kept me going. And na mag-cowork rin kami lagi ni Kim dahil kung nakakapagbigay ako ng ganitong saya sa mga tao na siguro kahit nagtatrabaho abroad or malungkot sa buhay, parang if I could make even one people feel happy or uplift their day because of what we're doing, then bakit ko ititigil gawin ito para mag-inspire ng ibang tao. So again, I'm very grateful and very thankful to everyone.
Ako din naman. Walang dinarabasa. Pero thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Nakikita niyo po more of his 13th team. More of
And honestly, like before you guys came out here, we were talking about you with everyone here. The guys, we were talking about them. And people really love that you're good hearts. And that's the #1 thing that they love about you is you're not only a beautiful duo. I mean, I'm looking at you like, wow, starstruck, right? Pero your hearts are just so full of kindness and full of love, not only for each other, but for every single person here who's love and support you.